Okay, here's my Tronxy X5SA-PRO 3D printer. Almost done, but I have a little problem there. I'm gonna show you details on that. I just put that old frame on the front side down, and now I have to bolt it YX guide rail to the left and right brackets, but there is a little issue. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna go this way, I believe. Yeah. And there's no problem to bolt it to the left side, but on the right side, the bracket holes and Y rail guide not lined up, just because the roller behind on the way and not let it rail put in the right position. See, it's not okay. I'm gonna give you a little zoom in. That's the right sliding bracket, and the hole does not line up. I removed all that right side bar over here with the sliding bracket, just to show you view from the bottom, from here, or on this side from here. Here's the bottom side of that bar, and it's supposed to be bolted like this. See, it's look fine, but here's a roller, and now holes not line up anymore. Here is two brackets close to each other. You can see it's a good part, right? Nothing wrong. But usually, if we have a left and right part, it's supposed to be mirror projection. Here is not. See, all those two line the same way, and adjustment washer here, they are kind of shifted down, and but here is the only reason why that right bracket was marked wrong. Actually, it's a left hand side bracket, because see, if I flip it now, here is your answer. It's absolutely identical parts, and that right can work over here. See, so it's just somebody did a mistake and marked that that part wrong. It's a left. Try to make a better explanation. See, here's those two parts on a manual, and talking about right side, pay attention to this roller. See, it's on the side over here, and those two parts, they are symmetrical. It's like a mirror view. That one here, that one close together, and on the actual parts we don't have that. On the right sliding bracket, this roller is supposed to be somewhere over here. That adjusting washer gotta be up here. This one a little bit upper too, and of course this roller is supposed to go to this corner. Well, you can see it on that picture on the manual. Thank you.